Hi REVOLVE, I'm Tess Christine, and today I'm going to be trying on 10 spring dresses that I'm going to be wearing this season. I'm excited to show you a variety of dresses and how I style them. This is the first dress by REVOLVE and Lemons. I absolutely love this one. It's in this very soft knit material. So how I'm going to style this is kind of stick with the brown themes. So I just put on some little brown sandals. I also think this would be really cute with some white sneakers. For jewelry, I'm going to keep this fairly simple because I feel like this is a really good daytime dress. I'm just going to go in with some classic gold hoops because they're my go-to for every day. Another jewelry staple is a watch. I'm just putting on this gold watch with a little gold bangle. For a bag, I'm going to stick to the brown theme and I'm just going with a little brown suede bag. Of course, I need sunglasses. Kind of cat eye, but I feel like it ties the whole look together. And that's the finished first look. This is the next dress. It is so cute. It's actually a dress meets a romper. There's shorts underneath here, which makes things very comfortable. But I absolutely love this. It's in like a bubble silhouette, which is very in right now. It's very on trend. It just feels very spring in a dress. There's tiny little blue and green florals woven throughout. It's in this like tweed material. This style of dress would be perfect for a girl's brunch, some sort of a nice event you have to go to. It just feels very daytime, very fun. So I'm not going to go crazy with too many accessories just because I feel like the dress is a statement on its own. I have these little pearl drop earrings. I love earrings like this because they make a statement, but it doesn't take away from the rest of the dress. For the bag, I'm going to tie in the white pearl color of the earrings with this bag. And I just feel like it ties the whole look together. Still fun, flirty, girly. I absolutely love it. This is the next dress. It's by the brand More to Come. I really wanted to pick a long floral dress because you can't have a spring dress haul without some florals. I think this type of dress would be perfect as a wedding guest dress if it's more of a garden party, casual style wedding. I just think it's super pretty, girly. It has a lot of pretty details like the lace underneath here and the ruffles on the chest. Because there's a lot going on with the print, I'm just going to go in with some simple gold earrings. I have these gold teardrop ones that I think would be perfect. For the bag, I'm going to tie in the white here and just go ahead and go with this white bag again. For sunnies, I love pink and brown together, so I'm just going to go in with these. This is the next dress. I absolutely love this one just because it feels different from the ones that I've tried on so far. It's in this satiny silk style material. Polka dots, lace, puff sleeves. It just feels very fun, flirty, and just different from your normal spring dresses. I feel like when you think spring, you think florals, and this is a fun way to kind of spice it up. Since the dress is this cream and black color, for jewelry, I'm going to kind of spice it up just a little bit and add some color. I have these bold and dark green earrings that I think will complement the dress really well, but also just spice it up a little bit. So that's what the earrings look like. I feel like the dress has kind of this old Hollywood look to it, so I feel like the earrings complement that really well. For sunnies, I'm just going to go in with a simple black pair. This is another dress that kind of speaks for itself, so I'm not going to overwhelm it with too much accessories. So I'm just going to go in with these little tiny twist hoop earrings. For the shoes, I just kept it simple with these nude peep toe mules from REVOLVE. This is the next dress. It's by the brand More to Come. It's in this really cute blue floral. Got a little lace, a little bit of a slanted hem, which I think is super cute and unique. I love the neckline. I feel like it's really flattering. Overall, it's just a really comfy, easy day dress, and I love it. So I wanted to kind of play into the Western theme that I love so much in spring and summer, so I just threw on some black cowboy boots. For earrings, I kept it simple with gold hoops. For my necklace, I just added a gold coin pendant, and then because I'm wearing black boots, I'm gonna wear some black studies. This dress, I think, is the most perfect vacation dress. It is so stunning, it's stretchy, it's comfortable, it has this beautiful textured fabric. It's perfect for spring, summer, vacation, whatever you want to wear it for. Super easy to wear. and it's very comfortable. For shoes, of course, I have on my RAYE the Label mules. These are essential. I would wear these every single dress so far. For jewelry, I have on just some simple gold hoops again. And then for the necklace, I have this really beautiful gold chain with a pearl at the end. To add a bit more texture and go along with the vacation vibe, I am going to wear this beaded ivory bag. And I just think it's going to add a fun element to the look. This is the next dress, and it's seriously so stunning. It is in this sparkly knit material. It is so elegant and beautiful. It's in this lilac color. I actually own a few other items from this brand, and they are show stopping every single time. The quality is just amazing. This would be an amazing vacation dress, especially if you had a spring or summer beach wedding to go to. This one is definitely perfect for it. For accessories, I'm playing into the mermaid vibe and going with these shell earrings, or they're kind of like little pearl shells. They're beautiful, and I think they'll complement the dress really well. And that's it. This dress doesn't need much. It's seriously so stunning on its own. This dress immediately gave me ballerina vibes with the ruffles, the pink. It has a fabric that's super stretchy, kind of leotard-like. It's very comfortable, so I thought I would play into that and go for a ballet flat. These ones are super trendy right now. They're like the fishnet versions, perfect for spring and summer. This is the last dress. I absolutely love this. It's by the brand LPA, which is one of my favorite brands at REVOLVE. It's in this beautiful linen material in this kind of beige color. Perfect for spring and summer. You can style it a bunch of different ways. It's just cute and classy, and this style of top is super it right now. If you know me, you know I keep it pretty simple with my accessories, so I'm just wearing some gold hoops, my brown suede mules from RAYE the Label, and then to tie it all together, a brown suede bag. So that concludes my spring haul. You can shop all 10 of those spring dresses at revolve.com through the link in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye!